Welcome guys to this tutorial. In this tutorial I'm gonna show you how you can, in this Wix tutorial I'm gonna show you how you can create a website using Wix for fitness. So let's jump right into this video. I'm gonna walk you through the entire process, so make sure you watch this video until the very end so you don't miss any steps and any important parts of this tutorial. Now what you have to do first is to head over to wix.com, and then what you have to do is to click on get started. All right, now if you already have an account, then just you can skip this step. Now we can sign up and continue with email. All right, so I'm gonna add the email 1 second. Now once you add your email, now what you have to do, you have to select is if you are creating this website for myself, for yourself, or for a friend. I'll select here for myself, my friend, or my business or friend. And now here, what kind of website are you creating? So for our fitness website, let's say I will add some products on my fitness website. So I can select here online store. Now if you add maybe portfolio or a blog, let's say you write about your fitness journey maybe, and you write about how you're losing weight while you're going to fitness, while you're hitting the gym, you're working hard and you want to show your whatever reason, that you could use that. Or maybe online store, let's say online store, you're selling some products. So now let's say if we have here online store fitness, online fitness equipment store, trackers, fitness equipment store, online fitness course. And now you can select from here what kind of fitness store you need for your specific for exactly for what you're selling, right? Now let's say I'm selling a online fitness course. I'm gonna select this and click on next. Now very easy. The process is really easy. And also if you want to change some things on the website, you can simply drag and drop and delete some parts if you want to. It's really easy on Wix. And now it's loading. And now here we have get your business set up in few steps. What the name of your business is, whatever. I will just write how to browser. What's your name at business address? You can add the name of your business and what's your business address. Your address, you can also skip this part or you don't have to add it. And now working days, services. Also, if you have services, we can select some of them, or you can create a new service. You can edit some of the services here. You can change the name, service type, an appointment or a class, group session. Let's say it's a group session, and it's online. And it's paid. And now let's next add your stuff. You can add new stuff and click next again. And here we have what else do you would like to add it to your business. Accept online payments, offer virtual sessions, and accept in-person payments. No, we only accept online payments, and send automatic emails and CS reminders. Manage. Okay, now I'll click next, and now continue to dashboard. The setup process, it's pretty easy. I say it's really easy on Wix. Now we can update our business type, so we can click here and getting a custom domain. Really easy. Now you can add here your domain, so howtobrowser.com, let's say. Now add your first service, where we can already edit the ones that we have here. One-on-one personal training session, we can edit this one, or you can start from scratch. You can also start from scratch. So we have service, tagline, description, maximum participants, course price, fixed price, or free or variant price or custom price, and here amount, and here entire amount payment preferences, and here entire amount online, location, as sessions get blocked, image, and blocking preferences. And now we can add a generate AI description. We can also use AI to generate this description, so we don't have to write it ourselves. And we can also add an image here. Now, leave without saving. Make sure you save that, but I'll just use one from here. We could practice private session. Now we have here a lot of options. All right, now we can click on the website. Leave without saving. Make sure you save. And now here we have our website. All right, we can select here. We don't have your website, but I'm saying like we have different templates that we can choose from. So we have fitness school, fitness instructor, online fitness program. Now, what kind of template would you like to use? Say this one is online fitness program, fitness school. Now it depends on your needs, but what I like about Wix is that you have different templates for a lot of categories. For fitness, we don't really have only one design or template. We have so many other designs that you can choose from, and that also applies for stores. Like as you saw earlier, you also have options for services. What type of store would you like to use? So you have a lot of options. That's what I like about Wix. So now make sure you select your desired template. I'll go with this one. I'll click on edit. Now we just have to wait. All right. Just a couple of seconds. Bear with me. All right. 1, 2, 3. All right, perfect. And here, let AI write your site content, so you can add some details about your site, but you don't have to write it yourself. You can just ask the AI to write details about your site. You just have to describe here about what is your website all about. So my website is about fitness and selling courses that helps people to lose weight. Create site text, booting up your writing machine, creating text for your site. All right, and now here we have welcome to How to Browser, the ultimate online destination for your fitness journey. Our courses help you lose weight and stay healthy, all from the comfort of your own home. Now we have a really nice description. Make sure we check for switch for mobile. For meet your site on mobile, you can start customize it here. Changes won't affect how your site looks on desktop. Let's go. Now we have multiple phase fixed, disappears, customize your header. So I like for the header to stay. You see here the header is still there. Now position your quick actions. I like them there, floating. And now also to have a top button so people can go up. Now go to mobile editor. Now here we can also, as you saw earlier, we can also edit our website only for mobile. Really nice, looks really good. You can also click on preview. So now this is our website. join us on the Wix app. As you can see, we also have this here. Now obviously you should add all the details there for changed and add exactly the way you want. Back to editor. Now we have here online classes, and we can edit this text, or just to can add also effects, but we can link this online classes. Which page? This one is how desktop one, current window. And now here we can change some of the things here. We can move, we can obviously change the text, and everything else pretty much we can change. Depends what you want to add, but this is our website. Now if you want to change this, depends now for online courses, in person, and this is our online course. View our course schedule. Here are multiple pages we have, but obviously then you have to edit it, exactly add your own details. So here also have, we can delete this one or keep it on, depends on what you want. Manage pages. Here we have our pages, book colors. If you don't like this, don't want this, you can edit settings and just what's this page name, you can change the page. We can layout, no header, footer, permissions, SEO basics, advanced, and we can edit this and change all this. And yeah, that's how you create a site, website for fitness. Now if you have any questions, leave your questions down below and I'll create a part 2. I really hope you found this helpful, and I'll see you now in the next video. Take care.